welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for Oreo cake. Let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 1/3 cup or 80 grams of butter, 2/3 cup or 150 milliliters of oil, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar. Careful typo here, half a teaspoon salt is correct. 3 cups or 375 grams of flour, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of milk, 6 egg whites, about 20 or 220 grams of Oreo cookies or other chocolate sandwich cookies. First, separate your eggs. Beat the egg whites to stiff peaks and set aside. Then, in another mixing bowl, cream the butter, beat in oil and sugar. Add vanilla, baking powder, and salt. Beat in about 1/3 of the flour, alternating with half the milk. Gently fold in the egg whites. Cut the Oreo cookies into fourths, keeping all the crumbs. Gently fold the cut cookies into the cake batter. Pour into greased and lined cake pans. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 35 to 50 minutes. Allow to cool. This cake is light and fluffy and delicious. The cookie pieces give it a lovely cookies and cream flavor. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.